We're making homemade pizza.
Homemade sourdough pizza coming at ya.
Homemade sourdough pizza. Mushrooms.
She's slicing and dicing with her own knife here. Look at that. We're cutting up some peppers, onions, and mushrooms. We're gonna make a little supreme pizza for our first one. We got some hamburger fried over here. The second one's gonna be a little hula hula. We're going pepperoni, some pineapple, and jalapeno. Knife skills.
Nice.
Ooh, it's doughy.
Okay, so I have the sourdough crust here. It's been fermenting most of the day, and then I just divided it into 4 equal portions. And then I'm just kind of stretching it out here and rolling it out a little bit. And then we'll cook it with some of the toppings. Okay, so then we put the crust on a cast iron on the stove, and then you add in the toppings and you let it cook for 5-6 minutes or so till the bottom's browned. And then we throw it in the oven and broil the top of it.
So for this first supreme pizza, we got the olives, the mushrooms, the onions, the peppers, some ground beef. Put it all over the sourdough. Let's add some mozzarella cheese on top. We're gonna cook it 5 or 6 minutes here, and we're gonna throw it in the oven for another 5 or 6. All right, we got the 2 supremes out of the oven. Cut one up. Do a little taste test. Other one looking good. All right, this is the hula hula pizza right before it goes in the oven. We got the pepperoni, the pineapple, and the jalapeno peppers with some mozzarella on top. Here's the hula hula pizza right out of the oven. We got the pineapple, the pepperoni, and the jalapeno peppers. All right, we're doing the pizza taste test. 1 bite, everybody knows the rules. Try that pizza out. Here's the supreme pizza, and what do you grade it?
10.
Oh, she gave it a 10.